Price action trading is hard until you watch this video. What I want you guys to have in mind throughout this whole thing is always the mindset of that price action is what the price is doing right now, while market structure is how the price have acted in the past. So let's say that first of all, a support level is a type of market structure. So in order to have a support, you can see right here on the screen, I have drawn out a support level, but in order to have a support, we need to have the price gone there in the past. So let me draw out. So let's imagine that the price, in the past, it moved down, it touched the support like this, and it moved down, touched the support like this, and then the price start to move down once again. So we have a scenario that looks something like this. And here, what we as traders need to be able to do is that we need to be able to analyze how the price action looked like when we reached the support. So for example, if we have a scenario where each time the price reached the support level, we might have seen, bullish price action. And with bullish price action, I mean things like, for example, we might have seen a strong hammer the first time we touched the support. And maybe the next time we touched the support, we maybe saw a very strong momentum candle. Remember, a momentum candle is a candle that is at least twice the size compared to the previous candles. So we measure the previous candles and we see that we have a momentum candle. The price action of the previous touches makes this more likely to be a strong support. So this makes it more likely that when the price, or if the price eventually comes down to this level, we are really paying attention to this support level. But now, and this is even more important, when the price actually comes to this level, we need to analyze what happens to the price when we reach this level. So if we see, let's once again take an example from earlier in this course. If we go to this level and let's say that we see a strong, remember, a strong bullish engulfing pattern, this right here would be a very good sign, because this is bullish price action coming in at a level where we have previously seen bullish price action. And as the saying goes, history doesn't repeat, but it definitely rhymes. This is a good sign and a sign for us to potentially look out for a trade, right? But if we instead, let's imagine that we have a scenario where when the price comes down here, maybe instead of having a bullish engulfing, we maybe see, let's say we see a doji candle right here. We maybe see two doji candles in a row. After that, we maybe see, a green candle that looks something like this. This is a candle known as a spinning top. All of these candles together, what does this candle tell you? Well, they definitely don't give you any confidence about this support. It actually tells you that on this support level, the buyers and sellers, neither the buyers or sellers are in full control. And this can actually be, or this is, a bearish sign. And here it gets even more sketchy if you look at the price action of the previous touches. I accidentally deleted it. But if we look at the price action of the previous touches, and we notice that these touches as well maybe wasn't as convincing. Maybe instead of a hammer, we might have had, a candle that looks more like, a spinning top candle. And maybe the bounce also didn't have, super convincing candles. Maybe it looked something like this. This is not as bullish as the hammer. And maybe next time during this phase, during this bounce, we maybe had also, a few doji candles and, not as convincing candles. This will once again make this support less significant and less likely to succeed. So here, I hope you start to realize here the difference between price action and market structure. Price action, we're talking about how the price moved. But we can talk about this is a bit hard to understand, but price action, we mostly think about how the price is moving right now, but we can also talk about price action when we zoom in on how the price has moved on specific points. It's all about, really zooming in on the price. But alright, so here are some rules you can write down in your notebook, because this video was actually just a very short clip from our full price action trading course right here on YouTube. To watch the full course, all you need to do is to click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you all over there very, very soon.